Hello, and welcome to CADE, the Cost Assessment Data Enterprise. In this video, we will discuss how to view and download individual contractor cost data reports, or CCDRs. Recall that CCDRs are the cost component of cost and software data reporting, or CSDRs. For instructions on downloading bulk files, please see the video covering the cross-program query. Please keep in mind that all CADE training videos are recorded with CADE, as not to disclose any proprietary data. The steps outlined in this tutorial apply equally to both CADE and CADE. Starting from the Data and Analytics homepage, we must first navigate to the desired report. For this example, we will be viewing the fictional program MQ-98 Airborne Guardian. You can navigate to a program of interest from your favorites or via search programs in the main menu, but in this case, we'll just use the program search box. Simply type a few characters of the program's name, enter MQ, and the box will autofill with the matching programs. Clicking the desired name takes us to the program dashboard. From there, we can access the cost data by locating the Cost menu and selecting Browse and Export Data. By default, the table of contracts with available CCDRs is collapsed, with the first entry selected. We can click the drop-down arrow to the right of the table to view the other rows and make a different selection. There is a row for each combination of contract and reporting contractor. For this example, we would like to keep the default selection and view the submissions for the prime contractor on that contract by clicking View Submissions. Again, we are presented with the table that is by default collapsed with the first entry showing. The other submissions for this contract can be viewed by clicking the drop-down arrow to the right of the table. In this case, we will select the first flight submission event. The first thing to notice here is our ability to browse the reports. We can see the metadata associated with the submission, as well as view the 1921 and 1921-1 data. If there were a 1921-2 report with this submission, it would have an additional tab immediately to the right of the 1921-1 tab. In addition to viewing the data in our browser, we are able to export in one of three ways: as a formatted Excel file, an analysis-ready flat file, or a raw XML file. To export as a formatted Excel file, click the Formatted File Export button. Just like your bank generates a PDF monthly statement from your account data, CADE produces traditional reports in the DD Form 1921 series. To export as an analysis-ready flat file, click the Flat File Export button. This also generates an Excel file, but this time structured as a flat data table, suitable for using data filters, pivot tables, and charts, and the SUMSIF function to zero in on specific data you need to support your estimates. Lastly, to export as a raw XML file, navigate to the tab titled CSDR Format Export and click the file you wish to export. Each file format has its advantages. Formatted Excel files are human-readable, but often difficult to do analysis on. XML files are designed for machine-to-machine data interchange and not human readability, which makes them challenging to work with. Flat files are designed to give you the most analytical power and flexibility. If you have any additional questions, please contact the CADE Help Desk at cadesupport@techlodi.com. Thank you, and welcome to CADE.